Let's see how to change the default font in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word and start a new document. And right now, as you can see here, we have Aptos as our default font. And to change this, simply click on this icon right here, and that will show the different fonts. So for example, we want to use Algerian for our default font. We can also change font style, so, and as well as the size. For example, we'll use size 12, and right here, we can set it as default. And you have two choices to use it for this document only or for all documents based on the normal template. Press OK, and as you can see, we now have Algerian as our default font. That is all. I hope you learned something, and I will see you soon.